9 cleaning mistakes that are actually making our house dirtier. So jump in here if you all know this. Only running water and dish soap to clean your garbage disposal. We were talking about this earlier.
Yeah.
Water and soap won't fix everything. You need to thoroughly clean the garbage disposal to avoid mold and buildup. You run ice cubes while cold water is running. Ice cubes, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Then cut up a lemon. I guess when you're done using it, you can just put it in there, run it through, gets rid of the grime. Rubbing carpet fibers to remove a stain. You do this when you actually open, when you get a stain on the carpet and you rub them to get rid of the stain, you're opening up the carpet fibers, which hold more dirt in the future. Spots that are rubbed too will appear dirtier for the life of the carpet as a result. Instead, dab a stain or use an all-purpose product and press it on it and clean it with something like a microfiber cloth. Also, buying fancy cleaning items to clean stovetops. I'm guilty of this myself. The most expensive cleaning items aren't always the best. You normally have cleaning supplies at home that really are more effective than the more expensive ones. Try sprinkling baking soda directly onto a stovetop and add water to activate the baking soda and then let it sit and pull it off. Overusing dish detergent to clean everything. Yep, guilty. Great way of attracting grease, and it's handy for cleaning as well. Believe it or not, especially in the kitchen. But soaps attract dirt. That's how they clean. If you use too much dish detergent, you might be leaving dirt, attracting residue behind. Also, ignoring your dishwasher. Most people think dishwashers clean themselves. They need to be cleaned and maintained frequently. You might want to check with your manufacturer on the cleaning procedure. Using stainless polish on your fridge. I'm guilty of using stainless steel polish on my fridge. The flip side of stainless steel polishes on your fridge is that they leave a bright, attractive, reflective finish, although they really make the stainless appliance pop. They smell fantastic. They also attract fingerprints and pet hair. How about that? Not removing dust and dirt pile up on the fridge. There's another fridge-related issue. It's important to remove the dust pileup. I guess that's around the bottom where the condenser is and the fans and all that.
Yeah.
This can get unsanitary since the dust can circulate in the air in the home. Begin by using a vacuum cleaner attached with a long-handled brush to clean the dust from the condenser coils. And just a couple of quickie things. Also, take a magic eraser to walls. I've seen that work really well.
Yeah.
And don't overuse floor polish because too much product can create you're shaking your head on that, Brad? Too much product?
Yeah, it creates a buildup on the floor. Sure. I want to add one more to that, Bob.
Oh, go ahead.
For anybody who's living in a home that was built before 1978, you don't want to dry dust, because if you have any potential of lead-based paint in your home, you want to make sure that you're not just taking a dry duster and just pushing the dust off. It gets in the air. You don't want to breathe it in. So you always want a wet dust. So some sort of a dusting spray is what you want to use if you live in an older home.